Hey, we're gonna make some changes around here. Hey folks, welcome back to the farm. We decided to make a few changes around here. The first thing we're gonna do is get rid of these elderberry bushes, and there's 4 of them there. And we got a small, medium, kind of medium, and a big one. So this is the first job for the new TYM. So I got a rope tied around them. We'll try to jerk them out. And the reason we're going to do this because well, we was talking, you know, while we was away from the farm the other day, that they've been here for 4 years. They never got the first thing out of them, and kind of shading their blueberries and kind of blocking their view. So we're going to rip all these out. We're going to put blueberries down here. We're going to actually extend it more down this way too, blueberries this fall. So I need to go ahead and do this. Got another project I'm gonna do probably next week, and I'll film it having to do with the fall. So I need to get these up because it won't be long that they'll have their fall plants out and stuff. So I need to get it, prep the soil and everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and crank this up, and I've already warmed this up a little bit. So we're gonna see what it does here. Well, it didn't do very good. Okay, I had to change gears there. I couldn't I guess it's been raining a lot and I couldn't get a grip on it. But that right there, it pushed out pretty easy. The bigger one, which I thought would have a real problem with, it popped right out. So here's a blueberry bush. You can see how little this is. Been shading it out. Here's another one. This right here's a weed. I got to take care of that. But I'm gonna get this all cleaned out and pushed out of the way, and I got a little segment on the trailer we got. It came yesterday, so I'm gonna clip to that and come back and see when it's got cleaned up here. Okay, so they delivered the trailer, like I was telling you about yesterday, probably the day before yesterday when you watched this, but it's a big Tex, 20 foot, 5,000 pound axles, electric brakes, I think. It's got a wood floor. Of course, I think I'm going to maybe stain this floor. Looks like it's been out in the sun for a while. But this is, I mean, we couldn't ask for a better trailer. I probably would have got one probably if I was buying one 16 foot, but this is 20 foot. I mean, there's times it'll probably come in handy. It's got this square tubing. I mean, this is well built. And of course, I'm gonna change my ball. It's got a 2 5/16 ball, and all my stuff's 2-inch. So I stopped and got some stuff today to fix that. So it's a really nice trailer. Like I said, it's a big Tex, and the model number is 10 PI and 20 foot. So it's got ramps. It's got 2 ramps, and they slide in here. Of course, I guess y'all kind of knew that. But right there's the ramps. There's one on each side. I'm assuming it's got LED lights. Yeah, it looks like LED lights. So we're really happy. I'm really happy with this trailer. Try to keep it looking like this. My other trailer, I've dented the fender and had to put decking on it once or twice, I know. So I think this is pressure treated. It's kind of dried out a little bit in the sun, so I think I am going to stain this at some point before it gets cold. I just want to show you part of the package deal like I was talking about with the tractor. So they finally delivered it, and we're happy, so we'll get back to doing what we've done. So my impression with this is it did all right. I had to put it in 4-wheel drive to get that couple of those out, but you know, whatever. It does really good. I'm not used to this hydrostatic at all, so it's going to take me a little bit to get used to it, you know. So I'll go over all that in a different video. We had to get this done, and I got another thing I got to get done. We'll do that in a different video. But hope you like the tractor. So far, we're still happy with it. Like I said, we're going to go back with blueberries. I might just single row them. I think that might be a little easier picking, don't you? We just single row, and we double rowed this. Of course, we didn't know, that way it'd be easier to take care of. So we're gonna probably, let's see, how many have I got there? I don't know, what, 20 there? I got 10 more down there. That's 30. I'd like to get 20 more. That'd be 50. And we sold some of them at the market, and they sold just like hotcakes. You know, most of them though, we freeze, you know, because the girls like to eat them so well. So if I get 10 more and those come on, so we'll have plenty to keep and save. I mean, sell. So we will not be at the farmers market tomorrow. I just don't have enough to take. I've kind of screwed up, mismanaged my squash and my zucchini and my cucumbers. I don't have any. You know, it's just my fault. I didn't stay on top of it. You know, I tried to get caught up and couldn't do it, so I'm going to do some replanting. We might not be there for 2 weeks. Actually did a little bit of replanting tonight. I'm going to do a lot this weekend. Get the high tunnel cleaned up. We still got tomatoes, we still got a lot of peppers, okra we got a ton of, so we got something in the works, and when we get that done I'll talk about it. But we will not be at the farmers market tomorrow. And we won't be at there next week either, because I got something at work, and I hadn't planned on being there next week anyway, so the week after next. So I just can't get out of that, so I got something I got to do. So I'll put that on Facebook, remind you, we will not be at the farmer's market. But, you know, still support your local farmer. Hit that subscribe button. Hope you like the tractor. Hope you like the channel. I appreciate all my subscribers watching. Have a good weekend. Thumbs up. Support your local farmer. I'll see you down here in the next video.